Sir, I'm just asking, is it compulsory to join these revision classes?
No. It is not compulsory. Even I want that you spend more time in self-studies and you come here just for the doubts, just with the doubts.
Oh, I thought it was compulsory, sir. Otherwise, I would be revising for exams.
And you will be revising for exam?
Yes, sir. I'm studying for my exams. Like, I'm studying for all the subjects since it's like lots of chapters now.
Yeah, I understand that. So, see, from my side, it is not compulsory. Okay, so these classes, they are. Wait a second. Yes, Atif, are you there? Yes. Hello, Atif. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. You're audible.
So tell me what is on Monday? Which examination?
No, sir. Not from Monday onwards. I'm sorry. From Tuesday. Slip of the
Tuesday,
tongue. Yeah.
1st March.
So Tuesday you're having physics.
March. Tuesday is physics. Then
Thursday chemistry. Wednesday is study leave.
okay, so Thursday, that means you have 3rd March.
Yeah, it's chemistry.
Thursday is chemistry. Okay, and
then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is study leave. Monday I have maths.
okay, Monday you have maths.
Yeah, Monday, 7th March.
Monday you have maths. Quite a gap here you have got for maths. Okay, then
Tuesday study leave, Wednesday biology. 9th March.
Tuesday, 9th March. Wednesday, na? Bio. And then English.
Yeah, then English on Friday.
So
Thursday
that will be
study.
11th March. Friday is English. So you don't have any other subjects, right? Maths or bio. First, now tell me, how many chapters are there in physics? सेवन होंगे ना, 7-8 होंगे कुछ चैप्टर्स आपके पास फिजिक्स में.
Yes, sir.
Don't remember exactly.
Yeah, no, 7 chapters.
7 chapters. So how many of them are big chapters that will require more time?
Sir, more time.
कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं? ग्रेविटेशन से है क्या? ग्रेविटेशन?
No, sir, not gravitation. Gravitation is in term 1.
टर्म 1. अच्छा, वो ऐसे कुछ
Yeah, it's
आपका
term 1 and term 2, yeah.
बुक 1 बुक 2 से कुछ होगा. तो वर्क पावर एनर्जी टर्म 2 में है या फिर रोटेशनल मोशन है टर्म 2 में? कैसे है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rotational motion is in term 2. Work
Sorry,
power
sir,
energy.
rotational motion is not in term 2, it's in term 1.
तो फिर टर्म 2 में क्या है? क्या है? SHM होगा?
Yeah,
Simple
SHM is in
harmonic.
term 2, oscillations and waves.
Yeah, oscillations and all. And what
Yeah.
else do you have?
For term 2,
Term 2.
yeah, we have the mechanical properties of solids, fluids, then thermal properties, thermodynamics, kinetic theory. Yeah, that's it. Then oscillations.
And all of these are like light chapters, I would say, not heavy chapters.
Yes, sir, not very heavy chapters.
Okay, so all the heavy chapters was in term 1. Physics, you have all the light chapters. Okay.
Yeah,
So
no,
I think whatever, so 7 chapters भी आपके पास होंगे तो उसमें मिला जुला के होगा सब कुछ. So that means in 2 days you can complete, right? Physics revision.
Yes, sir, revision you can complete quickly.
And what book do you prefer? Like I think sir would have said SL Aurora or something.
Sorry, sir?
Which book do you go with in physics? Which
So,
textbook?
you mean like guides or anything?
Guide or NCERT. Mostly people don't do NCERT because
Yeah.
theory is not very much. So yeah, guide. Tell me what guide, reference
No,
book.
yeah, our school provides us like with something ABC guide for physics. We use that.
ABC,
Yeah,
modern
yeah,
ABC. Modern ABC is even for chemistry is fine. So you get for chemistry also modern
no, no, you don't give chemistry. Chemistry only get NCERT. Only for physics you get the modern
NCERT.
ABC.
For chemistry also it is fine if you have modern ABC. So chemistry modern ABC is also good. So you can work with that if you want more problems, if you want more explanations. Okay. But in chemistry you have, I can say, the SNP block is a small chapter, but all states of matter and states of matter I will also keep as a small chapter, not much is there. And then thermodynamics and equilibrium, these are big chapters. Okay. So what I will say is that 3 plus 2 plus 1. Correct. So these three are states of matter, SN block and P block. These two is for thermodynamics and equilibrium, and this one is for hydrocarbons, which is on its own. उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है बाकी के chapters से, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So you divide them in this way, and see, and whatever time you choose, na, whether you are choosing days or whether you are choosing, like for example, sitting, like one session. So in one session, I will be completing states of matter, S block and P block. Then in another setting, I will be completing thermodynamics and equilibrium. Then I will be, in one session, I will be completing the hydrocarbons. Okay, one setting, I will be completing the hydrocarbons. Now, please listen, this will take a whole day, I would say. Thermodynamics and equilibrium, it is going to take a whole day. And you can see it, you can complete this in one day. And for hydrocarbons, you may need like half day or something, because questions are less, but there are many concepts. Okay, there are many concepts and many reactions that you have to revise. So for hydrocarbons, what I will suggest now, hydrocarbons, first thing is make reaction summaries. I think so. What I think you have more problem with hydrocarbon or with some other chapter in chemistry. Most students have problems with hydrocarbon generally. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Mostly hydrocarbons.
hydrocarbons. So उसमें यही है ना कि like you make reaction summaries. How will you make reaction summaries? So we have 4 major portions in hydrocarbon. ठीक है? 4 major portion है. उसमें क्या है सबसे पहले alkene है, alkyne, and then alkene, alkene, alkyne, and then benzene derivatives. So for all of them, what you will do? For example, let me start with alkenes. Alkenes से start करते हैं. So you will do all the preparation. You will write like this. You have alkene, and here you have CH2. You can write it like this. Generalized way R, CH double bond, CH single bond R, and then you react this with H2 in the presence of PD or PT or nickel, and you will get alkene. Okay, so you do some kind of reactions like this. So all the methods of preparation on this side, and you're getting alkene. Then you do the chemical properties like this. You do the chemical properties of alkene like this. For example, if I react this with O2 in the presence of some heat, that means combustion is happening. So you will get n moles of CO2 plus n plus 1 moles of H2 and so on, right? Then what else reaction we can do? We can do halogenation in H nu, right? X in the presence of H nu, then you will be getting alkyl halide RX. So is tarah se na, what you do, you summarize whatever knowledge you have about alkene in one page. Okay? In one page, you try to write all the reaction. Now, don't be very specific about these particular substrate and what is the product, that specific product that you are getting. You just keep in mind that when we have alkene and I want to prepare alkene, I will react this with H2PD. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So like this, no, I will not write all the reaction. वो आपको करना है, ठीक है? So the more you play with these knowledge, है ना? So these information, the more you will be able to retain it, because I think the main problem is not the conceptual part. मार्कोनी को पता है क्योंकि stability of carboxyl, stability of carbon, all these things are fine. You will understand them, but वो retain नहीं होगा आपको बहुत जल्दी, ठीक है? So that may take time and you will be very much frustrated, क्योंकि आप क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आओगे, वो सवाल ऐसा होगा कि आपसे बना नहीं. But then you will look at the notes and there is exact same reaction. Okay, exact same reaction. And furthermore, I think I have told you guys in the last class also कि जो बहुत basics चीज आपको करके रखना है, हमने उस दिन तो काफी सारे सवाल लिए थे। जो बेसिक आपको करके रखना है दैट इज आईयूपैक नॉमेनक्लेचर, ठीक है ना। जो क्वेश्चन हमने दिया था उसमें बस एक चीज और आप ऐड कर लीजिएगा, डायरेक्टिव इफेक्ट। डायरेक्टिव इफेक्ट ऑफ substituents on electrophilic aromatic substitution, ठीक है। So when we add effect of substituent on electrophilic aromatic substituent, that means ortho para directing है या meta directing है, ठीक है। So this is also one more thing that you should add in the basics, ठीक है, in the basics of hydrocarbon, वो आपको आना ही आना चाहिए। Then you do this, make some reaction profile and reaction diagrams. Next is that you make a list of name reactions. So for example, starting with Wood's reaction, then again you will have in the alkene only, you will have coal-based reaction, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से you will make a list of name reaction। ऐसा नहीं कि Wood's और coal-based लिख दिया आपने, उसको डिस्क्राइब कीजिएगा। Wood's reaction में क्या, what is the reactant, है ना, what is the condition, dry ether, sodium, and what is the product that you are getting. Similarly for coal-based and different, and you also write some examples. So you make a list of name reaction and make this reaction diagrams. So if you do those two things, then you will be able to retain like many reactions, because you have in one page everything is summarized. So you have everything in the in one page, and you can visually see it that okay, fine, this I can prepare many things from. I can start with many things, go through alkene, and I can prepare many things. Similarly with alkyne also. So उससे आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान रहेगा. So try these two things, and now you tell me, do you have, okay, fine. Let me give you some questions from this chapter only. States of matter, ठीक है। So थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, फिर आप चले जाइएगा। I will leave you guys in half an hour. So 15 minutes में आप लोग कुछ सवाल कीजिए, थोड़े से सवाल देते हैं, and then we guys can leave. Okay. So Umar is here. Umar, did you prepare for states of matter? No. Why? तो फिर क्लास में क्यों आए हैं आप, अगर आपने प्रिपेयर ही नहीं किया तो? वो हम बोल नहीं रहे हैं, हम बोल रहे हैं आप क्यों आए हैं फिर क्लास में। अरे रिविजन तो ना है, तो टोल्ड ना यू विल हैव टेस्ट, ठीक है। रिवाइज वगैरह हम नहीं करा रहे हैं, ठीक है। आप लोग अभी अभी एफर्ट डालना आप लोगों का काम है। हम पढ़ा दिया हमने जो पढ़ाना था आप लोगों को, ठीक है। यू स्टार्ट डूइंग क्वेश्चंस, एनसीईआरटी कीजिए, उसके बाद अभी तो हम फिर टेस्ट लेंगे। नाउ तो यू विल बी हैविंग टेस्ट। तो यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी डाउट्स? आप हर रोज आप बोल रहे हैं 2 times इन अ वीक, ठीक है। सो डाउट्स बताइए ना फिर, डोंट हैव एनी डाउट्स। अभी तक नहीं। So write down these questions. एक्चुअली 4 सवाल है. You guys have 17 minutes. ठीक है. In 15 minutes, I will see how much you have learned, how much you have done. हाँ, तो 2 मिनट लगेगा आपको फोटो खींच के भेजने में. So like in 17 minutes, I need answers. निष्कर्ष सर चैट. ओके. निष्कर्ष सर को भेज दीजिएगा आपको 17 मिनट के अंदर जितना भी हो गया. You have got 8 more minutes. So 3 more minutes, है ना? So just start winding up and take photos and then send it to Niskarsh sir. Okay. Atif, Umar, Rishan. Don't know whether Rishan is there or not. But still Atif and Umar, okay? Start taking photos and send it to Niskarsh sir. Okay, please raise your hand if you have shared it. If you have shared the answer to Nishkarsh sir, please tell me. Okay, Atif has already sent. Okay, Umar, you haven't sent. Umar, please send the answer. Okay. Yeah, correct. So Atif, your answers are fine. So I've not given you any questions on calculations, okay? Because they are just basically based on PV is equal to nRT. But I would emphasize that please revise van der Waal equation. Okay, please revise van der Waals equation. Waiting for your answers, Umar. Yeah, Atif, so if you don't have anything else, then I think you should leave and start revising for tomorrow's practical. What practical do you have? Physics practical, you said, no? Atif?
No, sir. Biology.
Biology practical. Okay, yeah. So please, you can leave. Okay. Do you have any other doubts that you want to discuss right now?
No, sir.
No, not right now. Okay, fine. Umar, I'm still waiting for
Thank
your
you, sir.
answers. Sent. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Okay, sent. Fine. Hey, is this your real handwriting, Umar? It's very bad. Dalton law of partial pressure states, now that you have written THET, it looks like heat. Okay, it looks like heat when states that when the total amount of no, it's not right. Dalton's law is not clear. Your doesn't give the right picture about the Dalton's law, so you need to revise on that. Okay, you need to revise on that. The molecule do not exert any force of attraction. That is fine, and the volume. Okay, that is fine. That's fine. So please start studying when your examinations are from 17th of March. Umar, is that right? When do you have your examinations from? 14th of March. Okay, fine. So you have some time. So please start revising, you know, at least. Okay. No, no, that what is first, that is not a matter. Uh, you have to focus on the revision part, make a plan, like make in the timetable, you have to see how many days you have, and then in physics, how many chapters are coming, how many of them are tough, how many of them are easy. You have already made it. Okay, fine. Can you share that with Nish?